Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about the Cypress folder structure. You can see VS Code here. When Cypress is installed, these many folders and files automatically generated. We will learn one by one folder what is the use of that. So first folder which is related to Cypress. The Cypress related folder, it is very important. In this folder, four folders inside there. One is downloads, second one is E2E, third one is fixture file, fourth one is support. So in download folder, and if any download file is there, that one it will show inside the download folder. Second one, which is E2E, we can say that end-to-end testing and integration folder. Okay, in this folder, click on that folder. In this folder, all the test cases are there. Like in last video, we have created one test file. This is my first Cypress test. So this test case is there. And another two folder is by default is generated, which is getting started, an advanced example. You can see inside that all the test cases are there. To do test cases are in advance. Lots of things are there related to the assertions, action class, cookies, connections. These many things are there. So whatever test cases are there, we have to define inside the E2E folder. Third one, which is related to fixer. In fixer, we are creating a JSON file. In the JSON file, we always give him the static data. That means what is the static data? You can say like which type of data we will have to define. So here, like selector, XPath, these things we are storing inside that fixer files. And it we only want test cases, and we are from fixer file we are taking that static data and we will use in E2E folder. Fourth one, which is related to the support. Support also is an important part. Here we can define that custom commands, whatever custom commands. For example, one function we required, some command is there that we need to use for all the test cases. So we will create here and we can access any of the test cases. That is called the custom commands. For this, inside that Cypress folder, these four folders are there. That is important. Next one, modules. When we are creating project in Node.js, we will obtain some external libraries that is called dependencies. So in the Node modules, external library dependencies are there. Okay, and second things, when we want to install Node.js, so we are creating some package.json files, cypress.config files, package.log.json files. So first one, cypress.config.js files. So for example, when we want to use our Cypress in any of the projects, so some link will be there, URL. So we can define in E2E. So here you can define like cy.visit and any specific URL. So no need to define any of the test cases here. This is like just like a precondition of the test case. It will always take from the here and it will use for the our test cases. That is called as that is things we have to define inside that the cypress.config.js files. Second things is the package log.jsons. So here the package information will be there and the module information, which modules is everything, what is the version of that, this is defined here. So last one is the package.json. So when we want to install the Cypress, so here the package name, version, description, whatever is there, and what is the Cypress version we are using, the dependency file will be available here. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.